Want the new HyperOS style control center on your Redmi phone? It's sleek, smooth, and looks way better than the default. But it's not just a quick setting change. To unlock the full blur effect, you'll need a simple workaround using Shizuku and Kanta, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Ready to transform your control center? Let's set it up right now. First, open up the Settings app. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Feedback. Next, tap Agree if it asks. Then tap Issues with Signal Reception. After that, tap No below. Then tap Submit. Here, make sure to select Issues from the top. Now, tap on the text box and write My control center settings is missing on my phone. Please fix this issue ASAP. Then tap on Select Item. Now, find the control center. Then set the present time. Next, enter your email address here. After that, mark the Add Logs option. Finally, tap Send. The Xiaomi team will contact you within 24 to 48 working hours. And that's it. This is how you can enable the HyperOS style control center on your Redmi phone. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.